across to Prakash, who's our reporter, who's the first crew to reach the spot at Chhapra.
The passengers traveling in this Rajdhani Express flying from New Delhi to Dibrugarh were panic-stricken. As we can see, this bogies of the Rajdhani Express has been derailed, and the exact cause of derailment has not yet been known. There are various theories doing the round. Maybe it may be because of the explosives, or it can be a normal derailment, and more so in the wake of the call by the Maoist Bandh in and around Chhapra area. The railway authorities are looking at the sabotage angle, and as we can see on the railway track, all these wires and rods placed on the track, we can see that all these rods and tracks placed on the oils and the tracks have also been dismantled and destroyed in a big way. The evacuation process, we can see, is on at this point in time, and the exact cause of derailment is not yet known. 8 bogies have been derailed, and 4 passengers are said to be dead on the spot. Few others have been sent to the local Sadar hospital for treatment. And as far as the investigation is concerned, 3 timer bombs have been recovered from Daryapur, which is 25 to 35 kilometers away from this particular spot of incident, which clearly suggests there is some conspiracy sabotage angle by the Maoist. And also, one more area of concern is that generally it's a railway advisory that an escort train has to pass through the railway track if at all there is a call for bandh by the Maoist in that particular area. But we are told that the escort train was not passed through this particular area, so it is a clear-cut case of lapse by the authorities. And now that the investigation has been ordered, an inquiry committee has been set up as to why this incident took place early this morning, and we can see this area being the rescue and the rescue operation is on by the people concerned, by the railway authorities. And as to why this incident took place from this in this area, we can see railway authorities deployed in large number, and the security team has also arrived on the spot to rescue the train and to sanitize the people. ये कितना टाइम लगेगा
अभी इसमें कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता. अभी तो आई है क्रेन, अब क्रेन इसको हटाएगा, तो टाइम अभी निश्चित कहा नहीं जा सकता है.
पड़ताल कर रहे हैं. क्या लग रहा है, ट्रैक पर टूट है कुछ?
ट्रैक तो अब आने पर पता चला है कि ट्रैक टूटा फूटा नजर आ रहा है.
लग रहा है ब्लास्ट हुआ है?
नहीं, ब्लास्ट का तो नहीं है. अब ये तो जांच के बाद ही पता चलेगा कैसे टूटा है. अभी तो बचाव कार्य जारी है. पहले बचाव कार्य पूरा हो जाए, उसके बाद कुछ किया जाए. फिलहाल तो अभी 3-4 निकले हैं, माने हमारे जानकारी के अनुसार.
So we can also see some other officials lined up here. So we can see the officials directing for the rescue operation and the safety operation. So, but as a matter of, it's a huge concern as far as.
उसके बाद 10 मिनट में
हो जाएगा. एग्जैक्ट आपको क्या लग रहा है?
हम तो अभी मैं अभी आया हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे अभी पता नहीं, मैं केवल अभी उसमें से.
So authority is not saying much, but there appears to be some conspiracy angle behind this particular incident, and now it has to be corroborated by evidence, and all the pieces, all the samples has to be gathered and investigated, and later on the investigation will be done. In Chhapra with Kumar Saurabh, Prakash Singh for Times Now.